TikTok users are justifiably rattled after Joe Biden escalates the TikTok ban. But does this actually spell the end for TikTok in even more countries? Or can it still be accessed with the help of a VPN? That's what I'm here to test. Look, we recovered from the slow fizzle out of Vine, but let's be honest, Vine walked so TikTok could run. Or maybe it ran so TikTok could walk. Anyway, I'm sure the 170 million users across the nation aren't ready for another loss just yet. This is why I'll test two different how to unblock TikTok scenarios, which should work on most outcomes and countries. First things first, how to access TikTok from the USA. Well, I'll make it look like I'm accessing it from a different country. And this method will give anyone access even after the TikTok ban hits. Step one to do this is opening TikTok USA on my mobile. Now, depending on when you're doing this, it may or may not work, but let's prepare for the worst case scenario anyway. Now, be sure to close TikTok fully. Next, I'll download Nordvpn from the Play Store. Why? Remember, I need to mask my real location, and they're good at this. Plus, they already unblock a whole bunch of stuff and are super fast too. If you don't yet have a TikTok VPN subscription, you can scan the QR code on the screen to use my deals. Now I'll head to the settings here and select Nordlynx as the protocol because it's the fastest. You'll need to be signed in to do this. Okay, remember the US won't give you access, so here is where you need to swap your IP for one in a different country. All I do is tap Canada, so it looks like I'm accessing TikTok from Canada. After that, I've just got to relaunch TikTok and trust the algorithm to take me on a wild ride like always. A couple quick tips. You can use this method on most devices. The steps should be the same. You also don't have to just use Canada. Almost any country outside of the US or India should work. If you have any issues, try clearing your app's cache and cookies, and you should be golden. Is TikTok not available in other countries? If you're in India, it won't be. Well, clearly I'm not there, but my colleague ran some tests with a VPN while in India. The most important step here is that if you don't already have the app on your phone, you won't be able to download it if your region is in India. So, if you need to change your region, I'll leave detailed steps in the description and you can come back to the video afterwards. For everyone else, let's continue. My colleague first opened TikTok India to demonstrate it doesn't work, and fully closed it. The next step was downloading NordVPN, since this is the tool used to bypass blocks just like this. If you don't have a subscription yet, I'll leave the best deals down below, or scan the QR code on the screen to check them out. NordVPN unblocks a lot of other various platforms too, so it's not just a TikTok VPN. Next, they changed the connection protocol to Nordlynx within the settings, and now connected to a different country other than India. This masks the Indian IP with one in a country where TikTok is not banned. All that's left to do in this how to watch TikTok in India video is open TikTok, and there we go. Even though NordVPN is one of the best VPN for TikTok options, if you do face issues, there are a couple things you can do. One involves closing TikTok, trying a different server, or even switching the country altogether and then reloading TikTok. And if that doesn't work, contact their customer support for additional advice. They have agents on call 24/7. Don't forget, updated and exclusive pricing will be on screen alongside a video I recommend you check out. Thanks so much for watching this TikTok banned video. Enjoy your scrolling.